What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to the Garagewell car event, which is like right down the street from me. Currently at the gas station waiting for everybody to pull up, so hopefully everybody's on time. If not, I'm leaving without them. Anyways, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll pick up the camera once everybody starts arriving. It is currently 7:58. I told everybody to be here by 8 and we're leaving at like 8:20, so they better hurry up. Who's the first one to arrive? I heard a downshift. Who is it? Yeah. The homie Noe. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I seriously can't wait to be driving my E92. It looks so good. Second car to pull up, the homie John. He recently just picked this up. I think he recently just got his custom plates in too. DCT 7-speed. Very nice. M4 coupe, the carbon hood. Sheesh, this looks crazy. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, guys, before we get into today's video, I have something I want to share with you guys. We've got the Simply carbon fiber sunglasses, perfect for the summer, guys. If you guys want to shop real carbon fiber accessories, hit that description box down below. Make sure you guys use KG10 for 10% off your next purchase. Let's go ahead and open up these bad boys up and show you guys how they look. All right, guys, so they come in like this cool clear box here. Comes with a little microfiber towel, a little case. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Ooh, very, very nice. Okay, comes in this nice little clear plastic here. Let's go ahead and take this out. Comes with a cool little cleaning case and a cup, like a case to put the sunglasses in. Let's go ahead and open these up. Super, super nice. Lightweight too, guys. We all love carbon fiber. Damn, these things are super nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got carbon fiber everywhere, actually. All of the inside. Super, super stylish. Perfect for the summer. You've got the Simply carbon fiber logo. These are pretty sick. Let's go ahead and put these on. Check them out, guys. I know I already look sexy, I know, but I know with the glasses I look even sexier, but these are freaking nice. They feel really light, they feel good on the face, feels good around the nose area. Super, super nice. What do you guys think? All right, guys, so if you guys want to cop yourself a pair, you already know. Go down to the description box down below, shop Simply Carbon Fiber, and don't forget to use KG10 for 10% off your next purchase. On with the rest of the video, guys. Enjoy. Hey, my other GTS twin has pulled up. Just parked like right there. Very clean. M4 GTS. The homie Enrique with the wide body M2 pulling up with us. Very, very clean.
What's going on, my BMW car enthusiast?
What's up, man? Okay, guys, a lot of cars are pulling up. Got the homie Kenny, very clean. We got an E92 M3, we got a 5 Series, GT3, GTS, M6, Daniel, a bunch of Beamers. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. The inside's pretty cool. They got a little store in there. Clean F80 M3 competition package. Reminds me when I had my F80, except with the red interior. Still very clean. LCI. Very nice. Got the whole black squad over here. Look at this crazy ass E92 M3. Super tracked out. Look at the hood. It's crazy. Car seats. Peanut butter interior. Damn, look at that steering wheel. That's sick. Got the big ass wing on there. Very nice. That's a clean setup. Another GT3, very clean. E46 M3. Very nice. Check this one out, guys. Super clean. Another GT4, E30 M3, E46 M3. Very nice. Damn, we got an F30 wagon. That's clean. Got the M4 wheels on it. You don't see that. Clean. Big wing. Ooh, look at this E46. Oxford green. The peanut butter interior, that's clean. Very nice. Alright, guys. I'm about to go inside real quick. They got the Shell gas station. Is the gas cheap down there?
Yeah.
Damn, look at this, guys. So clean in here. Very classy. I got the homie Richmond's GT3. Super, super clean on BBS's. I got all the skateboards back here. I got some merch. Check out this Ferrari. Got the E30 down there. Hello. So cute. What's your name?
Dior.
Boy? Girl?
Dior.
Dior? Dang. Hi, Dior. That's a clean E92 on TEs. And we got a secure orange F80 right behind it. It's very nice. That looks good. Very nice. The homie Anthony's Audi R8. Very, very clean looking. Sheesh. I think the only supercar in here. You're the only supercar in here.
Hey, Kevin.
Woo. Look at this RWB. God damn. Dude, this thing is insane. Look at that interior. Holy shit. Wow.
Did you see the
That's
RTD
clean.
shifter inside?
Yeah, dude, this thing is insane. Homie Kevin's X5M. Probably my favorite X5M out there. It looks so good. We got the homie Mike's E92 M3 Frozen Gray on TEs. And this is like literally his twin right here. They're twinning. Oof. Very, very clean E92 M3. Supercharged? Damn, check out the wrap on this G80 right here. It's like faded green into like black. That shit is insane. Look at the color of the wheels too. That's pretty sick. That's a nice spec. We got a beautiful M2 competition. Very nice Hockenheim silver. The homie Brian M3 Fly pulling up. Very, very clean E92 M3s. Probably one of my favorite E92 M3s out there. Got the BBS's on there. That custom interior. What up, Brian? So freaking clean. Shit is insane.
What's up, Brian?
What's up, my G? Super, super clean E92 M3 Melbourne red. Got the Recaros on there. Cage. GTS wing. That looks so good. That's a clean E30. Convertible. Very nice. Oh, that's fire. Alright guys, we're about to photo shoot. We got this cool airplanes back here. My private jet's back here. So I was like, you know what, let's take a picture of my jet. So we're about to get a little photo shoot in. Hopefully it's cool. It's kind of bright, but it should work.
Clement, there's Mike. Kevin, turn around, say hello to the camera.
I'd like to move this car.
Good morning, Kevin.
What's up? What's up? All right, guys, we got all of the cars lined up. This is the last one we got to fix. So I'm about to move it for Anthony. We are in the R8. So sick. Check it out. All right. Damn. Take it off. So look at this, guys. Check it out. Shit's crazy. Dude, they sound just like the Huracan. I think they share like all the same like components and stuff, so it's pretty cool. Oof, that sounds so good. I'm not trying to get us kicked out because we're like at the airport, but damn, that shit is sick. You think we should get an R8, guys? How do we look in the R8? Oof, that sounds so good. Damn, the cops are kicking us out. Private property.
No?
Yeah, he's gonna park there. He's gonna park there. He's cool.
Picture with your lights off?
Alright guys, today I'm photo shooting my dream car. The Lamborghini Aventador SV. It's got like this factory stealth on it. It's like matte white. It looks so freaking good, guys. Alright guys, so right now I just finished taking photos. We got this background back here. So freaking nice. This is literally like one of my dream cars right here. Like obviously the Huracans are sick, but this, like especially in SV, this is literally like my favorite Aventador, favorite car. If I was to definitely get one, I would definitely get it in orange. You guys know orange is my favorite color, but this has actually an upgraded exhaust. It's got a Rift Co exhaust, which sounds insane. Literally one of my dream cars right here, guys. And I'm finally able to shoot it, and yeah, got a ride in it. The exhaust, it sounds insane. I'll get some clips for you guys. And it's got like the stealth PPF on it, so it's like a matte. Got these wheels with the center locks on it. It's so sick. I'll show you guys the interior. You got with the Alcantara up here, all the carbon, Alcantara. It's so sick.
Same, bro.
Guys, this thing is so loud. This thing sounds insane, guys. This is my first time ever riding in an Aventador, let alone an SV with an upgraded exhaust. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.